Hey everyone, today we're going to look at FastAPI, how to set it up and creating the first get endpoint, right? So first you'll need FastAPI. I already have it, but I'm just going to show you regardless. So pip install FastAPI. This should be fast because I already have it satisfied. And then you'll also need UVcorn. This actually helps you serve it as an ASCII server, right? Again, I already have this installed, so I don't need it. And then what you do is from FastAPI import FastAPI. I'll show you how quick it is to have a FastAPI app running really fast, right? That's what I call it. It's called FastAPI. So you do app is equal to that, and then you do app.get, and I'm just going to put it at the index, and then def index, and I'm going to return a message, which is going to be message in a dictionary, hello world, because that's staple, right? Okay, so how do you run it? You do UVcorn, and let me just show you. Before that, I have the main right here, right? So you do UVcorn, main app, and the reload argument, what it does, it helps in reloading at like a hot swap, right? So as I code, the changes will get reflected. So I'm going to run this now. It's running over there in my local host, and as you can see, right, hello world, right? I can just make it a little bigger. Now the reload, right? So what it does, hello world, I am here. When I save this, you'll notice that, and I run it again, it reloads. So that's called hot reload, right? And what you can do, what interesting thing about FastAPI is that when you do /doc, it shows you all the endpoints that you have. Okay, I'm going to create another endpoint to get a little more sense of it. So you do app.get, and I'm going to put the endpoint as first endpoint, right? And then I'm going to do def first endpoint, and I'm going to return a message first endpoint, right? So this should actually have taken place. So if I actually reload the docs, you see, there it is, the first endpoint, right? And you can actually do that over here too. I just want to make a mistake. What is it called? First endpoint. I'm just going to copy this over. And as you can see, it shows a first endpoint. So yeah, very short and simple video. But you can always build on top of that. I'm probably going to do a lot more videos on FastAPI because it's just brilliant, powerful, and fast. All right, next time.